enough for every individual to work in Intelligence Bureau (IB). To get recruited in Intelligence Bureau, an exam is conducted by the authorities every year. The exam for the recruitment is held in three parts. There is around 1,100 vacancies are available in IB, which is needed to be fulfilled by deserving and eligible candidates. The registration for IB recruitment starts in the month of October. In this video, I would like to tell you the eligibility criteria you must follow to apply for Intelligence Bureau recruitment. The age limit is a maximum of 27 years. The eligibility for applying IB Security Assistant and Executive is 10th class passed from a recognized board. Candidates who are interested in Intelligence Bureau recruitment are required to fill the application form and hence the application fees. Application fee to apply successfully is ₹50. If you find our content relevant, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. In this video, let us now talk about the exam pattern of Intelligence Bureau recruitment. The exam is held in three tiers: return test, descriptive type and interview and personality test. There will be 4 sections in the return test and total time for the return test will be 2 hours. The 4 sections will be general awareness, English language, quantitative aptitude, logical and analytical ability. There is negative marking in the exam. 0.25 marks will be deducted for every wrong answer. In tier 2, that is descriptive type test, candidate need to do translation of 500 words from local language to English and translation of 500 words from English to local language. Both of them will contain 40 marks. The cutoff of tier 2 will be the same for all the categories. If you find our content relevant, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. In this video, let me now help you with some tips and tricks which will help you to qualify the Intelligence Bureau recruitment exam successfully. As there is negative marking in the exam, try to attempt only those questions of which you are sure of. Read newspapers so that you score well in your exam and improve your English. Increase your speed as you need to complete the paper in the time limit only. Don't forget to do the prep test to know your strengths and weaknesses. For that purpose, I would like to recommend the Prep Guru app by Youth for Work. Click on the link given below in the description to download the app.